Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into OneDrive on the web so you can accurately see how much space is used and where it's going. Once signed in, open storage and sort by file size. This reveals the largest offenders immediately. Make sure the OneDrive sync client is running on your device and pause any competing uploads so changes process cleanly. This prepares you to remove the biggest items first and prevent sync conflicts while you work through the rest of the cleanup. Now target the middle of the process. Remove large duplicates and temporary files straight away, then empty the OneDrive recycle bin so space is truly reclaimed. If files are needed but seldom used, move them to an external drive or create compressed archives to reduce storage footprint. Also toggle files on demand in the sync client so you keep placeholders locally without full downloads. This preserves accessibility while cutting cloud usage. As you finish by reviewing the storage meter and ensuring the sync client shows idle so changes have settled. Make final adjustments to backups. Disable unneeded folder backups and prevent large app backups from consuming quota. If you still need more space, consider upgrading plans or archiving older data offline. If files didn't delete or sync shows errors, reset the OneDrive client or sign out and sign back in. This typically clears stuck uploads and reconciles cloud versus local copies, so your storage reflects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.